morning. It's Lisa with Tinker Creek Designs, and this morning I was starting my day with just a small crafting project. I thought I would pop on here and show you what I was doing with a necklace that I found at my local hospice store, and I'm able to repurpose it and do several crafts out of it. So I'm hoping that maybe it will inspire you to pop in to your local thrift shop and see what's in the jewelry section, and you may find out that there are several items there that you can use and make cute little crafts out of them. I found a while back, I've had this for probably a year now, but I found this necklace. It's a lot of wooden beads, and I paid $2 for it at our local hospice store. But I remember when I purchased it thinking, those look like little snowmen. And I came home and told my husband, I said, I think I'm going to make snowmen out of this necklace. And I put it in my craft room, and I hadn't thought about it for a while. And this morning I was looking for something, and I ran across this necklace. I said, I need to pull that back out. And so I did. And in that same box where I was storing the necklace, I had also put away a bag of buttons. I don't know about you, but I love buttons. And these buttons, I really don't even remember where I got these, but they're just adorable, and they have a pretty floral design on them, and they're also wooden, and on the back there's no design. But I had a bag of these, and so I've been saving them, and this morning was when I pulled them out. And so I was thinking I could do a little snowman, and so I just wanted to try it, see if it actually worked. So I did. So this is kind of my proof of concept, little snow person, and now I think I'm going to be able to really go with this and do lots of these little guys and then decorate them, make them fancy and beautiful. This is my first one. So what I did was I took 2 beads off of the necklace, and there's a flat side on a really flat side on the bead. So I used the flat side as the bottom. That's becoming the body, see that? And then this is going to become a sweet little head on a snowman. But honestly, it could be an angel. It could be anything, because it's a little body with a head. I just think, oh my goodness, I've got like 15 of these. That's going to be so much fun. And then, so body, head, and then I turned my button flat so that the floral side stands up, and was able to glue these together. So I put the button as a base, and then the body, and then put the little head on top of that, and was able to make this really sweet little snow person. There's the base, the body, the head. I just drew some eyes on there, tied some ribbon for a scarf, ran some ribbon up the top, and now I have this little hook. So this sweet little snow person can hang on a little miniature Christmas tree. It can sit on a shelf with my other snowmen, but really she's just going to inspire me to say I'm going to be able to make lots of really pretty snowmen from these beads. I also thought, wouldn't it be cute if I made some wings and made a really pretty angel? And so when I got that idea in mind, I said I really would need something that looks shinier, blingier. And so I had, from a painting I did yesterday, I had added a little flow medium to some leftover Enchanted by Deco Art. And I know I put that in almost every video, I think, but it's got this lovely golden iridescent sheen when it's finished. And so that flow medium just helped me get the remaining paint from my jar. And so I had taken that and poured it on a body and a head, and now those wooden beads are going to be transformed and become shiny. And I think that one is going to become a really sweet angel. I want to make some wings for her, and I'm thinking maybe some feathery rings and a golden halo, and I think that will become a really pretty angel. I don't do expensive crafts. I have 3 sons, so I can't afford expensive crafts, but I can take and repurpose things and make them look like expensive crafts. And I think that's part of the joy of it. Make something beautiful. And it'll make you smile when you transform some things. And just when you're in the thrift store, just look at things with new eyes and say, what could that be? It doesn't have to remain a necklace. As we see this morning, it can become a snow person, it can become an angel, it can become a sweet little village of people. It can be all sorts of things. Your imagination is your only limit, and if you got a crazy mind like mine, there is no limit. So enjoy, have some fun, take just a few minutes and make a sweet little snow person that you would be able to hang on your tree or share with a friend. I think you can have some fun with this. If you like my crafts, if you would like to join me for others and see maybe how we transform these into angels or do some other paintings, I hope you will click subscribe on my YouTube video. That would be wonderful, and you won't miss any future crafts. And you can also find me on Facebook at Tinker Creek Designs. So please look for me there. I love to see what you guys are doing. I like crafting with other folks, and I love community. So let's just enjoy. Have a great day.